All right, well, welcome, guys. This is something new, something different, but we are going to continue to push forward with this type of style of learning. So I'm going to try to record a little bit of a video of what we're covering. I'm going to try to keep it short and simple, one, because I don't want to throw too much at you when we're trying to learn how to do something new, and two, Edmodo doesn't like large files, so these videos will be short and simple, but we will discuss this information more in the Zoom meeting. So it's really important. If you can get to the Zoom meetings, be great. You're going to understand this information a lot more. But we're going to go to chapter 10 because we're going to talk about meiosis, and that's sexual reproduction. You're going to see a lot of similar information because it's very similar to mitosis. We're going to see prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase again. There's going to be a little bit of difference to some of those. All right, and then we'll cover Mendelian genetics. So talk about Punnett squares, and then gene linkage and polyploidy. All right, but to answer your questions about the experiment that we had set up before school was shut down, we threw those Clif bars in the stomach acid. Guess what? 0% was dissolved. 0% was digested. And this is the reason why. Your stomach acid actually does not digest things. Your stomach acid actually is there to protect you and to kill any type of bacteria or microbes that might get to that point. So that way you don't get sick. And then it's going to move on, the food is going to move on, and it's going to be absorbed and digested in your small intestines. All right? So if you put in your hypothesis a certain percentage, guess what? I'm sorry, it's wrong. 0%. Let's move on. So we're going to talk about chromosomes and chromosome numbers. And we've hit a little bit on what chromosomes are, but chromosomes are what define you as you. Your chromosomes, depending on which ones you have, will tell you if you have blue eyes or brown eyes, if you have blonde hair or black hair, all right? If you're going to tan really well, or you're just going to burn every single time and never get a tan, all right? Now, if I'm going pretty fast, guess what? You can watch this video again. I'm going to try to get through a little bit of this information before I hit that time limit. But chromosomes, we have 46 altogether. 46 is the magical number. We get 23 from each parent. All right, so two parents, 23 plus 23 equals 46. Okay, and they are going to pair up equally. So the chromosome that you get from your mom, that will determine hair color, and then one that you get from your dad will determine hair color, are exactly the same. They are identical. All right, they're identical because they are homologous chromosomes. Remember, homo means same, logous meaning that same pair, that same type of chromosome. So you're going to get one from each parent. And this is what it looks like right here. Okay, they're going to be the same length. So if these are the chromosomes that determine what type of hair color you're going to have, guess what? They are the same length. Their centromere position is going to be the same. Okay? Their centromere position is going to be the same. If you look, this side is a little bit shorter than this side. All right? So that means that these need to be the same length, and they carry the same gene that control these same inherited traits. So hair color, eye color, like I said, whether you're going to burn completely when you go out in the sun or you'll get a tan every single time. All right, that's what these homologous chromosomes are. You get one from each parent. All right. Also, guys, I know there's this glare. I'm doing my best to try to get rid of it, but it's just going to be there. But we have haploid and diploid cells. Okay, and this should be the last slide that we're going to cover with this little video. But haploid cells. All right, an organism produces gametes. So sperm cells, egg cells. Those are our gametes, okay? They help maintain the same number of chromosomes from generation to generation. So for human gametes, for our sperm and egg, we have 23 chromosomes, all right? So the sperm cell has 23 chromosomes, so meaning that you get 23 chromosomes from your dad. Egg has 23 chromosomes from the mother, okay? So a cell with n number of chromosomes is called a haploid cell. So for us right now, this N, I'm going to write it up here for you, N equals 23. And you can't really see that. Awesome. Okay, so N equals 23 for us. All right, because that's how many we get in each gamete. Okay, that's a haploid cell. Haploid meaning it has half of the genetic information. We have cells that contain 2 N chromosomes, and they are called diploids. So diploid, di meaning 2. So that 2 right there. So if we want a diploid cell, meaning the egg and the sperm come together, that's going to be 2N. So what that means is it's going to be 2 times 23. And 2 times 23 gives us 46. 46, the amount of chromosomes we have total. Okay? We will go over this in our Zoom meeting. All right? I want to make sure that you guys understand haploid and diploid and understand what the N stands for, because N is 23 for humans, but it's different for other organisms. Okay? All right, this is where we're going to stop with this video.